Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we want to find the value of x from this given nice math problem. We have 2 raised to power x plus 1 is equal to 3 raised to power x. I believe you can solve this. I want you to try it and give your answer in the comment section. But before we proceed, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Take note of this, that if you have a raised to power m multiplied by a raised to power n, this is equal to a raised to power m plus n. Then we have this given equation, which is 2 raised to power s plus 1 is equal to 3 raised to power x. And this is the same thing as 2 raised to power x multiplied by 2 raised to power 1 is equal to 3 raised to power x. Then this is 2 raised to power s multiplied by 2 raised to power 1 is 2 is equal to 3 raised to power x. Let us divide both sides of this equation by 2 raised to power x. This is 2 raised to power s multiplied by 2 over 2 raised to power x is equal to 3 raised to power x over 2 raised to power x. This cancel this. 2 is equal to 3 raised to power s over 2 raised to power s. Take note of this, that if you have a raised to power n over b raised to power n, this is equal to a over b all to the power of n. Then this can be written as 2 is equal to 3 over 2 all raised to power x. Now we want to rearrange this. We have 3 over 2 all raised to power s is equal to 2. Let us take the log on both sides of this equation. Log 3 over 2 raised to power s is equal to log 2. Now if you have log a over b, this is equal to log a minus log b. Then the whole of this can be written as s log 3 over 2 is equal to log 2. Then let's divide both sides by log 3 over 2. This divided by log 3 over 2, and this divided by log 3 over 2. This cancel this. S is equal to log 2 over log 3 over 2. Then let's make use of this principle now. S is equal to log 2 over log 3 minus log 2. But log 3 is equal to 0.4771. Then log 2 is equal to 0.3010. S is equal to 0.3010 over 0.4771 minus 0.3010. S is equal to 0.3010 over, if you subtract, is 0.4771 minus 0.3010, we have 0.1761. S is equal to, if you divide 0.3010 by 0.1761, we have 1.7093. And this is the final answer, which is the value of x. Therefore, our answer here is s is equal to 1.7061. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation: 2 raised to power s plus 1 is equal to 3 raised to power x. Then if s is 1.7093, we have 2 raised to power 1.7093 plus 1 must be equal to 3 raised to power 1.7093. Then here, 3 raised to power 1.7093. This is approximately equal to 6.5, which is the right hand side. Now let us consider this. 2 raised to power 1.7093 plus 1, that is 2.7093. And this is approximately equal to 6.5, which is the left hand side. Therefore, the left hand side, 6.5, is equal to the right hand side, 6.5, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.